Hello everybody, it's your girl JeNean here, getting ready to get into another eyeshadow tutorial inspired by dragon fruit because I'm so random like that. Before you really get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would really help me out. I would appreciate it. And I do, check in every now and then to talk with you guys because I need that. But first I'm going to go in, I'm showing you guys the primer that I use from Mary Kay, my NYX eyeshadow base, my NYX eyebrow powder, my Bright Lights by Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette, and my James Charles palette. That's what I'm going to be using. I mean, if you don't even know, you know now, obviously. I went in with the James Charles palette using the white base because that's what dragon fruits look like for the most part. I mean, they do come with other base colors, but this I figured was the easiest. So I just put that on my eyelids on both sides. And I was looking at one of my last comments, and it said that, I should move back a little bit. Oh, excuse me, that was the Bright Lights Pinky Rose Color Becky. I'm putting on the outside of my eyes. But the comment said I should move back a little bit, and I was thinking, why don't I? And then I said, I think I do it more so you can focus on my eye look. And this was already pre-recorded, so that's why I didn't have the chance to move back, because I think I did do videos earlier when I could actually talk versus the voiceover where I was, a little bit further back. But I know I'm closer because I want you guys to focus on the eye looks. But I'll give it a try, even though right now I'm kind of stuck in my ways with being so close, so you can really see what I'm doing on my eyes, especially since I have hooded lids, and sometimes the shadows and everything can disappear and you're just squinting, and if you're looking at it on your phone or anything like that, because I don't know, I always look at YouTube videos on my phone. I don't really look at them on TV where I would really be all up in your face with how my setup is. But I guess I'll give it a try. I don't know if it will make it to you guys actually seeing it, but I think, yeah, I'll try it. And I also want to work on my background and all that kind of stuff. But that's in the future. Right now, this is what you're getting from me. I apologize if it hurts you, but this is just me. Going into the James Charles palette with my, as I call them, my safety net colors. I always put them right under my eyebrow. And it's going to look a little pretty at first, but after I put on my foundation and everything, it blends in pretty well where it doesn't look so out there in orange or anything like that. But I basically just do this so it can help define the shape of my lid and everything like that. It's not as though I'm a professional, because don't believe that. If you think I am, you are definitely wrong. I'm just someone who learned how to do makeup on YouTube like everybody else, and I figured, you know what, let me increase my skills, share my knowledge, and just get better all at the same time. So that's what I'm doing. Going in on both sides. Now I'm going in with the CoverGirl liquid eyeliner in the number 325. I only have it in two colors, the black one, which is what I'm using right now in this video, and a brown one. And I used to use these a lot all the time when I first was doing makeup. And then I decided to get the Fenty and Beauty Bakery one, but these are really still good products. So I figured, why not bring it out for this? And this helps to give me more precision with the sides and all that kind of stuff with how I want to make my dots. It's the one time I actually want black spots on my lids, unlike when I have mascara on and it does an unwanted transfer. But yeah, basically put that on both sides of my eyes. It doesn't have to be in any particular order, just go crazy with it. I mean, if you even really want to recreate this look, because I mean, come on, it's dragon fruit. Where are you going to wear dragon fruit makeup? Unless you dress up like one for a Halloween costume or something, or unless you're just really whimsical like that, then more power to you. No shame, no criticism. basically just putting that in all around my eyes. Loving how it's coming out. Now I'm going in with my primer, using my Milk Makeup Primer. I think, what is it? Milk Hydro Grip. Putting that all over my face, or maybe I'm just prepping my face because it looks a little weird at first. It looks like I'm just rubbing my face, and then, yeah, I have to take that hair off. Then I'm like, oh, I'm actually putting something on. It eventually made it to my face. Now I'm going in with my Oma Beauty foundation and concealer. Already put that on. Going in with the Beauty Bakery setting powder, Coco Naughty by Fenty, bronzer, Desi Katie, and what is that? Chasing the Sun highlighter. I like that highlighter. My Fenty and Truffle. Basically showing you everything that I'm going to use if I didn't already use it. Because like I said, I don't do my voiceovers right after I do the videos. It can be like days, weeks can go by, or I'll look in the vault and find a video, or try to figure out how to move my storage around to get a video seen, because I swear I always run into storage problems. And I'm putting the Bakery flour powder on. Then my Fenty, looks like truffle, usually it is truffle matchstick. I swear, when I first started out doing this, I used to do these so lopsided. I'm so proud of myself. Practice really does help, I'm telling you. Don't go out the house like that when you first learning, but yeah. Practice, practice, practice. It really does help. And then all around the perimeter of my face. Jaw, nose, cheekbones. Using my Eco Tools brush. I don't really change up my brushes. They just stay with me because they work. I still think I don't want to do the investment until I can actually like see the difference. I don't know if it's the actual hand or the tool that makes the makeup fabulous, or if it's both. Is it the product? I don't know. What creates flawless makeup? The products, the tools, or your skills? Or is it all three? Another Eco Tools brush for me to do my nose with. And I don't think I put lashes on with this look. Because I really wanted you to be able to see, you know, the eyeshadow. I think it would have looked very pretty with eyelashes. It's your prerogative if you want to recreate this and put some eyelashes on. Now I'm going in with that Desi Katie Chasing the Sun highlighter. You know what? Maybe the girl said that because I'd be out of frame sometimes. That's probably why she was like, can you please back up just a little bit? That's probably what she meant. And I do need to get better at that, because I do like catching myself slipping and be all out of frame and everywhere but the right place. Like even now, I'm out of frame, but I figure you see the lipstick. That looks like my BFF number 3 and my my brunch date because those are always my go-to. But I could be wrong, and it could be the ColourPop one. Let me see. Did some mascara. Did some Shayla. Oh, that was a Beauty Bakery icing mascara and the Shayla ColourPop collab lipstick Meat Free. I don't know if it's the brush or the formula, but I love how, sorry I'm not in frame. I love how this mascara works with my eyelashes. I just wish it lengthened them. But yeah, overall this is it. You know, I'm pretty simple with the lips. I love me a nude color and dramatic eye. Like I already showed you before, the Beauty Bakery icing. My mascara, my NYX Sweet Cheeks blush. I think I want to start buying some more blushes. Not too many because I'm not a blush girl really. Dip into those two colors, or maybe I'm going to because I don't see any on my cheeks yet. Yeah. Put them on. And that green just goes perfectly with it too. Ooh, put too much on it. Calm down with that mess, with that blush. I should have did an inner corner highlight. Look at me looking back and wishing with all that shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh well, it's already done. See it a little bit. I don't know if that's overdoing it. Maybe I wanted to see it. It doesn't look horrible, but I don't know if it's the best. Let's just put it that way. That's basically the finished look. Please again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Bye. Yeah, thumbs up and subscribe if you already didn't. Like, how many times I gotta say it? Help a girl out. Seriously. Seriously. I don't know what more you want me to do.